Hi, my name is Gabby, and the purpose of this screencast is to teach you about sending emails on Blackboard. This video will be approximately 6 to 7 minutes long. In this screencast, I will explain the various options you have for sending emails through Blackboard, as well as demonstrate the proper way to send an email on the site. After viewing this video, you should be able to send emails to your professor or classmates through the Blackboard server. So go ahead and log on to blackboard.jmu.edu and you can type in your username and your password just like you usually would on Blackboard. Once you're in to the Blackboard system, you're going to look under My Courses, and that's where your classes are going to be listed. If not, you can also look under the Gray Courses tab here if that's more convenient for you. But I'm going to go ahead and select the course where I want to send the email. Next, I'm going to look under the side panel and I'm going to select Tools. And I'm going to look on the right side for Send Email, which is a yellow envelope. Now that I'm into sending an email, there's different tabs and options where I can select how I want to email people in the class. If I select all users, that's going to send an email to the professor, the TAs, as well as the students in the course. If I want to email all groups, say for example your professor puts your class into specific groups, you can select all groups and it will email all the groups excluding your professor in this option. All student users will only email the students in your class, and it won't include the TAs, it won't include the professor, it'll just be all of the students at one time. All teaching assistant users will email each of the TAs in your class. If there's only one TA, it will include one TA. If there's several, it will include all of those TAs for you to email. All instructor users will specifically email just the professors in your class. It won't include any students in that list or any TAs. Select users will include each person in your class. This will include professors, this will include TAs, but the great thing about select users is that you can select the specific people that you want to email. So say if I want to email just my professor and a TA and 2 students, I can do that here. And select groups will allow you to select specific groups that you would like to email. So for example purposes, I'm going to go ahead and click on Select Users. And as you can see, it's set up like a normal email system would be. It has a to field, from, subject, and then your message. So I'm going to go ahead and select the students or the professor or the TAs that I want to email. So I'm going to select a couple of people. And now they're all highlighted. I took them from available to select into selected by clicking on the right arrow in order to move them from the left side to the right. So these are the people that will be emailed under the selected list. The people under available to select will not be emailed. So if you want to, perhaps you move someone over by mistake, you can select that student and then click the left arrow to move them right back over to the list available to select to move them back. So for example purposes, I'm going to move everyone back and I'm going to select myself to send an email to. So under the from field, it's going to say who it's from me, and it's to me. So under the subject field, you can type it in just like you would any normal email. And then you can type your email in. Okay, so once you've finished your email, you can also add editing and effects to your text just like you would be able to in a normal email. So you can make your text bold, you can underline it, you can change the color of your text here. There's a lot of different things that you can do. So I would play around with that. You can add things as a hyperlink by clicking the globe. You can add a table. There's a lot of different options that you can look at. And here's where you can attach a file. as well. So once you're finished and you're satisfied with your email, go ahead and click on Submit. And this will allow your email to officially send to the recipients that you wanted them to go to. So the email was sent to the following recipients: Evans, Gabrielle. And you're done. You've sent your email.